In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert shapes in Google Docs if you want to add visual elements like arrows, boxes, callouts, or other simple graphics to a document. Google Docs makes that possible through the built-in drawing tool. This is a helpful feature when you're creating diagrams, highlighting information, or making your document more organized and visually clear. To get started, open your Google Doc and go to the top menu. Click Insert, then move down to Drawing and select Plus New. This will open the drawing window in a separate pop-up area. That's where you'll create the shape before placing it into your document. Once the drawing window appears, look for the shape icon in the toolbar. Click that icon to open the shape menu. Google Docs groups shapes into several categories, which makes it easier to find the type of graphic you need. From there, choose the category that best fits your purpose. For example, you can use standard shapes for things like rectangles, circles, and triangles. Arrows are useful for flowcharts or pointing to important content. Callouts can help emphasize notes or comments. And equation shapes are great for math-related visuals. Pick the category you want, and then select the specific shape you'd like to insert. After selecting your shape, move your cursor onto the canvas in the drawing window. Click and drag to draw the shape at the size you want. If it doesn't come out perfectly the first time, that's okay. You can usually adjust it after placing it, so focus first on getting the general shape onto the canvas. If needed, you can then customize the appearance of the shape using the toolbar options. The Fill Color tool lets you change the inside color of the shape. Border Color changes the outline color, and Border Weight adjusts how thick the outline appears. These options are useful if you want the shape to match the style of your document or stand out more clearly on the page. Once your shape looks the way you want, click Save and Close. Google Docs will then insert the shape directly into your document. From there, you can click on it later to move it, resize it, or edit it again if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a shape in Google Docs. This is a simple but useful tool that can make your documents more engaging and easier to understand. Thank you for watching.